in the middle of all the curfews and lockdowns brought by the third wave, uh, people normally worry about going out and having food. So, in the last 2 years, right from the beginning of this COVID saga, home chefs are the only respite. Whenever someone wants to try something different or something outside, and also if you want some comfort food, home chefs are the only option. So today I'm going to share how a particular dish delivered by one of the home chefs in our apartment society, and also this is a special dish. It's kanji. So this dish is delivered by a home chef in our apartment, and it is called Malabar Kitchen. So I will do more reviews of the other dishes from Malabar Kitchen, but we'll start with this kanji. Kanji or Conjee, it's a very popular dish. Uh, it's very popular in South Asia, right from India to Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, or even in China, Japan, Korea. It's a simple comfort dish made of rice gruel mostly, and this rice gruel is very is a healthy option. If you have fever or any digestion issue or even stomach related problems, this is the go-to food. And I'm going to tell about the Kerala variation of this kanji. In Karnataka they call it Ganji. So at least in southern states it is very popular. Then obviously in other countries they make this Konjee with meat or vegetables or mushroom. They make it with this jasmine rice or sticky rice, and that gives a different flavor to this dish. This kanji made of matta rice. Matta rice is a Kerala boiled rice. So what you see here is matta rice, and this is unpolished, and this is a very healthier option. So now we are going to see how this is. So the accompaniments with this kanji are Payar. So this is green gram cooked with some seasoning, and this goes very well with this kanji. And the other accompaniments are, we have this Thenga Chamanti, which is dried chutney made of coconut and red chilies. They have seasoned it with some curry leaves. Then they have this pickle or achar as they call it in Kerala. I think this is a Manga Achar. Then we have this fried chili. They call it Kondattam or Mor Milagai in Tamil, Kondattam in Malayalam, and then this Pappadam. So this is the way the kanji is consumed. Let's have it and see how it is. Really good. It's very light, and also it has a flavor of the starch. It has a starchy flavor, and also the rice, the matar rice, right, matari, that also gives an unique flavor to this dish. And this quenches your thirst, especially when you are sick and dehydrated. This is very recommended. Now let me have this Payar with kanji. This payar itself, when had separately, that itself is a most filling dish, but now when it is combined with this kanji, it makes a perfect combination. So with each morsel of this rice and this payar or the green gram, it is heavenly. Now we'll have some pappadam and a spoon of kanji. Good. But the other accompaniment which makes this dish very, very delightful is this Thenga Chamanti. The sweetness of coconut and the hotness and spiciness of the red chili makes it a very good accompaniment for this kanji. Even without this payar, you can have this kanji just with this chamanthi. Finally, we'll try with this Manga Achar. I think even this mango is grated and then a pickle is made out of it. So I'm sure this will also be very, very good. Amazing. This is a very good pickle, and this also is a very good accompaniment for this kanji. I'm not going to try this fried chili, maybe for some other time, but these three accompaniments themselves make this kanji experience very, very delightful. Overall, it's a satiating meal, especially for dinner. It goes very light on your tummy. So if you get an opportunity, try this kanji. Also, very rarely you get it in restaurant, but in some of the Kerala restaurants you will get this dish. Otherwise, if you travel to Kerala, make it a point to ask the restaurants whether they serve this kanji. Or even you can see the recipes on net and make this yourself. Another thing is you can make this kanji with any rice, even the regular sona masuri or ponni, any kind of rice, but preparing it with that parboiled matta rice, that gives the authentic taste for this kanji. In addition to the kanji being a comfort food, it is also a balanced diet, because from this kanji you get carbohydrates, and from this payar you get the required proteins, and even this coconut chamanthi will give you the required protein. So when you have them all together, it makes a complete meal. Overall, adivoli sadhanam.